Hi, I'm Scott Taylor from Sense, and I want to talk to you today about our energy monitoring product that is a consumer engaging tool to help customers know how energy is being used in their house and other things that are going on in their house. So first I'm going to give you a quick demo of Sense and how it works. Now in your home, you've got a lot of appliances that come on and off throughout the day. What Sense can do is it can detect when these appliances come on and off and tell you how much power they're using. Let's start with the toaster oven. So we turn the toaster oven on, and boom, a bubble pops up on the screen with Sense telling you how much energy it's using. Now we'll turn a fan on, light on, and you can see everything that's going on in your house and what things are using power and how much. I could also see if I left the toaster oven on for too long, and Sense could even give me an alert and let me know what's going on. When I turn the appliances off, the bubbles go away. The Sense Energy Monitor today is deployed in tens of thousands of houses across the US and Canada. It is a product that looks like this that installs inside the electric panel. Requires an electrician typically to install it. What we want to do is we want to make this technology much more widely available to consumers. And the way we do that is by now having ported the technology that's needed onto the EIC card from Landis+Gyr. The EIC card goes into a meter, a utility meter, and can run the software that's required to detect these appliances as they're coming on and off in the house and provide that real-time experience to consumers without needing extra hardware or hubs in the home. So we've seen how Sense can detect when appliances come on and off and show you bubbles when they come on and off. But what's really interesting to users is to look at a timeline of their house. You can see over the course of the day when things ran, when the toaster ran, whether the oven is still on, when the garage door opened in the house. And this gives people an awareness of what's going on in their house beyond just energy. And it keeps people engaged with the Sense application. A year after having Sense installed, more than 75% of users are still using Sense on a monthly basis, and 50% are using it weekly, on an average of 12 times a week. This timeline is part of what keeps that engagement going. In addition to looking at today, we can also look at trends and see what happened over the course of the day, the week, the month, or the year. And we can set goals for ourselves. For example, setting a goal for how much energy I want to use this month, setting a goal for how much energy I want to use today, what I want my always on base load to be, etc. Most of the appliances in your house are probably not connected to your Wi-Fi network and are probably not what we call smart, and Sense can find those through the electric signal. But if you do have some smart appliances, for example, smart plugs are becoming popular for people as energy-saving devices. Sense can integrate with the smart plugs, and we can see what's going on, for example, with a TV or an entertainment center, and we can even turn it on or off here in the Sense application. All right, so we've seen how Sense can help consumers understand what's going on in their home, where appliances are coming on and off, how much energy they're using. And that will help them save money on their bill and keep their home more safe and sound. But what does this mean for utilities? Well, for starters, it can help utility program administrators meet energy efficiency targets. If consumers can save 5, 8, 10% on their bill through doing this, that helps the consumer, but it also helps the program administrators meet energy efficiency targets. Secondly, it can help manage peak demand. So this can help consumers know when they're using energy during peak hours, whether they're on time of use rates or program incentives to save money during conservation days. Finally, it can help with high bill complainers, knowing when and how they're using energy. So if they're calling their utility to complain about high bills, this is something that can help you troubleshoot and get to the bottom of what's going on. There's one other dimension of this that could be important for utilities. By sampling data at the sub-second level, and we sample thousands of times a second to find these appliances, we can start to see really interesting things at the sub-second level, like variances in voltage and other things that may help with the safety and the overall performance of the grid. These, combined with the consumer benefits, are really what are going to drive a lot of value back to the utility and the consumer.